Solve more questions on compound angles. The first one, we have to simplify this expression. This is of the form tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. And what is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B equal to? This is tan of A plus B. So this can be written tan of 69 plus 66. This is tan of 135. This can further be written tan 180 minus 45. Tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta. So minus tan 45, which is minus 1. So this simplifies to minus 1. In the second question, we have to find value of cos of A minus B. And we know cos of A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We have value of sin A and we have value of cos B. So we will find out cos A and then sin B. We are given A lies in the first quadrant. 0 less than A less than pi by 2 means A is in first quadrant. B lies between pi by 2 and pi. B is in second quadrant. So let's find out first of all cos square of A. This is 1 minus sin square of A. 1 minus 16 upon 25, 9 upon 25, or cos of A plus minus 3 by 5. A is in first quadrant, so this will have positive sign, so 3 by 5. This is in first quadrant. The second one, from cos of B we can find out sin of B. Sin square of B is 1 minus cos square of B. 1 minus 25 upon 169, 144 upon 169, or sin B is plus minus 12 by 13. B is in second quadrant, so this will have negative sign, minus 12 by 13, positive sign of 12 by 13. Sign is positive in second quadrant. Now substitute values. Cos of A minus B. This is cos A, which is 3 by 5 into cos B minus 5 by 13, and plus sin A 4 by 5 into sin B 12 by 13. This is 48 minus 15, 33 upon 65. This is the answer. We have to prove sin square of first angle minus sin square of second angle equal to 1 by root 2. So we know sin square of A minus sin square of B. This is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So we write left hand side as sin of pi by 8 plus A by 2 and plus pi by 8 minus A by 2. This is sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So pi by 8 will cancel out. This is A by 2 plus A by 2, and this is equal to sin of, this will cancel out, sin of pi by 4 into sin of A. Sorry, we have to prove 1 by root 2 into sin of A. This is of the form sin square A minus sin square B is equal to, so let's write sin square of A minus sin square of B. This is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So what is left hand side? This will be sin of this plus this, that's pi by 8 plus A by 2 plus pi by 8 minus A by 2 into sin of pi by 8 plus A by 2 minus pi by 8 plus A by 2, which is sin of, this is pi by 4 into this is sin of A by 2 plus A by 2 is A. So this is 1 by root 2 into sin of A. This is same as the right hand side. The next one, we are given sum of angles A and B is 45 degrees. We have to prove the product of these two is 2. So starting from left hand side, 1 plus, this is tan A into 1 plus tan of B. We can write B is 45 degrees minus A. So this is 45 minus A. This is 1 plus tan A into 1 plus, now tan 45 minus A is 1 minus tan A upon 1 plus tan A. this is 1 plus tan A. Now take LCM, 1 plus, this is tan A. Here 1 into 1 plus tan A is 1 plus tan A, and plus 1 minus tan A. Minus tan A will cancel out with this. This will cancel out with this. We are left with 1 plus 1, which is 2. Same as the right hand side. This is what to prove. Left hand side is equal to sine square of A plus B. So starting from left hand side, this is cos square of A plus this is cos square of B. Let's write cos square of B as 1 minus sine square of B, and minus 2 is cos A cos B into cos of A plus B. This is 1 plus cos square A minus sine square B, cos square A minus sine square B, and minus this is 2 cos A cos B into cos of A plus B. Now recall that cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is cos square A minus sine square B. So that means cos square A minus sine square B, this can be written as cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. This is 1 plus cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B minus 2 cos A cos B into cos of A plus B, which is 1 plus. Now from these two, let's take cos A plus B common, and inside it's cos of A minus B minus it's 2 cos A cos B. This is 1 plus cos of A plus B. Cos of A minus B is cos A cos B, and plus sin A sin B minus it's 2 cos A into cos B. This is 1 plus cos of A plus B. Cos A cos B minus 2 cos A cos B is minus cos A cos B. So from this bracket, minus sign common is cos A cos B, and minus this is sin A sin B. This is 1 plus cos of A plus B into minus 1. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is cos of A plus B. So that's 1 minus cos square of A plus B. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. This is sin square of A plus B. This is same as the right hand side. Tan 3 tan A tan B is given equal to 1. We have to prove 2 cos A plus B is equal to cos of A minus B. Tan A is sin A upon cos A. This is sin B upon cos B. This is equal to 1 by 3. This can be written cos A cos B upon sin A sin B. This is equal to 3 upon 1. Now applying componendo and dividendo, cos A cos B and plus sin A sin B upon is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. Numerator is cos of A minus B, denominator is cos of A plus B. This is 4 upon 2, that is 2. Cross multiplying, we get cos of A minus B as 2 times cos of A plus B. Given that tan A is m upon m minus 1, tan B is 1 upon 2m minus 1, we have to prove A minus B is equal to pi by 4. We will prove tan of A minus B is equal to 1. So let's find out tan A minus B. This is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Substituting values, this is m upon m minus 1 and minus this is 1 upon 2m minus 1, 1 plus m upon m minus 1 into 1 upon 2m minus 1. This is 2m square minus m plus 1, m minus 1 into 2m minus 1 this will be 2m square minus 2m minus m is minus 3m plus 1 and plus m upon m minus 1 into 2m minus 1. This will cancel out with this and this with this. This is 2m square minus 2m plus 1. This is 2m square minus 2m plus 1. This is 1, which is tan of pi by 4. So tan a minus b is equal to tan pi by 4. This means a minus b, this is equal to pi by 4. This is what we wanted to prove. For the expression a sin x plus b cos x, so we know minus root of a square plus b square is less than or equal to a sin x plus b cos x and less than or equal to root of a square plus b square. That is, this expression has minimum value of this and maximum value of this. So we can write the same for 12 cos x plus 5 sin x. X has to be the same. So this can be written, this is between minus root of 12 square plus 5 square less than equal to this, less than equal to root of 12 square plus 5 square. This is minus 13 less than equal to 12 cos x plus 5 sin x less than equal to 13. And we need plus 4 here. So throughout we add 4. Minus 13 plus 4 is less than equal to, let's say this expression is e. Now this will be e less than equal to 13 plus 4. Minus 9 less than equal to expression less than equal to 17. So what is minus 9? Minus 9 is the minimum value and plus 17, that is the maximum value. So minimum value is minus 9, maximum value is 17. We can say range of values is from minus 9 to 17. Tan 8x minus tan 6x minus tan 2x is equal to product of tan 8x, tan 6x and tan 2x. We start such questions from angles. There are 3 angles, 8x, 6x and 2x. So we write 8x is equal to 6x plus 2x. We could have written 6x equal to 8x minus 2x or 2x equal to 8x minus 6x. So whatever we write, then taking tan on both sides, tan of 8x is equal to tan of 6x plus 2x, which is tan of 6x plus tan of 2x upon 1 minus tan 6x into tan of 2x. This is tan of 8x equal to, now cross multiplying, tan 8x into 1 minus tan, this is 8x into tan 6x into tan 2x. This is equal to tan of 6x plus tan of 2x. Shifting these terms to the left hand side and this one to the right hand side, we get the answer. Tan 8x minus tan 6x minus tan 2x. This is equal to tan 8x into tan 6x into tan of 2x. This is how we get it.